Let's dive into an incredible PC build for under 30,000 pesos. First up, the AMD Ryzen 5 5500, a powerhouse with 6 cores that delivers smooth multitasking and gaming performance for just 5,495 pesos. Next, we have the Gigabyte B450MDS3HV3 motherboard, priced at 4,195 pesos, offering solid stability and great overclocking potential. For memory, the Lexar Thor 2 by 8 GB DDR4 3200 MHz CL16 kit at 1,990 pesos ensures fast and responsive performance, perfect for gaming and productivity. Now, the Palit GeForce RTX 3050 StormX at 11,995 pesos brings ray tracing and stunning graphics to your games. Storage? The TM0UP MP33 512 GB M.2 Nvme drive at 1,999 pesos provides lightning-fast load times. To power it all, the MSI Mag A-550BN 80+ bronze power supply at 2,595 pesos ensures efficiency and reliability. Finally, the Trendsonic Vesta black case, with included fans for 1,555 pesos, keeps everything cool and stylish. All this for just 29,824 pesos, an unbeatable value for a high-performance rig.